A good administrator should develop both 50% on the technical side and 50% on the soft skill. In developing the soft skill has something to do with our interpersonal skill, our ability to communicate with our people, our ability to delegate, our ability to motivate and empower our workforce. On the other side of the hard skill, our skill focus on technical planning, scheduling, and mostly on the technical side of our work. We have to balance and we have to have 50% on the hard skills and 50% on the soft skill. We are dealing with people. We are not only dealing with machine and equipment. We are not only dealing with activities. We deal with people in the workplace. Thank you very much.